Hey everyone, Ruby here. We just launched our newest feature called IVA, short for Intelligent Voice Assistant. Think of it as a smarter, more conversational version of your IVR that actually talks to your callers instead of making them press buttons. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to convert your existing IVR into an IVA. First, head over to the line that's connected to your IVR and click on Settings. From there, go to the Routing and IVR tab. This is where your current IVR lives. Now you'll notice there's a new banner at the top giving you the option to convert your IVR to an IVA. And don't worry, if you change your mind, you can always revert back to your original IVR. Go ahead and click Convert and you'll see the system start analyzing your IVR settings. It automatically maps out your IVR steps, detects the language, and transcribes your audio prompts into text, all on its own. Once the analysis is done, you'll see this screen. At the top, you'll see the source. That's your original IVR. Below that, you can define or change the language. We support a wide range of languages, but we'll keep it bilingual here. The system also transcribes your greeting, and you can tweak it however you like. You can even add variables to personalize it, and at the bottom, you get to pick a voice for your AI agent. We have different voices and accents to choose from, so you can find the right fit for your brand. When you're all set, hit Next. Now the system gets to work. It's identifying your call flow pattern, extracting key decision points, mapping intents to actions, and generating conversational instructions. Basically, it's taking your entire IVR logic and turning it into a natural conversation flow for your IVA. And just like that, everything is mapped out. You can see each IVR option has been matched to an AI agent action. So for example, route to extension is now mapped to an employee directory tool, and send to voicemail is handled automatically too. Each one shows a status so you know it's supported and good to go. Once you've reviewed the mappings, hit Next. Now we're at the review and apply step. Here you get a full summary of your new IVA, the voice model, price per minute, language, voice, and your AI agent greeting. And don't worry, all of these are editable after you create your IVA, which I'll show you in just a bit. You also have the option to save it as a draft or go ahead and create and activate it right away. And that's it. Your IVA is now activated. Hit Done and head back to the left sidebar in Aloware. Click on Allo AI Voice Agent and you'll see a brand new agent has been created called IVA Test. Click Edit, then go to Instructions. You'll see that all the steps from your original IVR are now actions for your IVA. If you want to change anything, just edit the prompt right here. You can even switch the line or make any other adjustments you need. That's it. Your IVR just became intelligent. Try IVA today. And let your phone system finally talk like a human.